machine. The iso speed. Bro, that's that isomeet. But there's a new one. Did you know? Iso speed have hiding from you. You all don't know. It's something very cool. But first you have to like and comment if you like your dad or mommy. Just don't comment. Just like for mommies. I hate my dad. Alright. So like that. If you don't like daddies, just don't comment. If you love both, just type one and like and comment. So